Hi guys, in our previous review we talked about external science original and fake microphone Shure SM57. Now we'll try to show you sound differences. It's gonna be voice test, acoustic and electric guitar. By the way, this review recorded by Shure SM57.
And this is the voice test of both microphones. Original Shure SM57 and the fake one. Both microphones have the same gain. How you can hear, original have the more rich sound. Equalization of middle frequencies and wide range give us the sound that we want to hear for the record guitar and other music instruments. Fake has more high frequencies. That's good for vocals, but not for music instruments. The reason of that is a pure karaoke microphone which was used in the making of fake. Even at low volume, we can hear specific for few microphones hiss. Let's make the other tests.
In our previous review we asked, maybe fake is not bad at all, maybe fake worth it and we should buy poor fake. Now after sound test I think everyone can choose by themselves. Text your opinion in the comment below. Thanks for watching and good luck!